Hey there, and welcome to Patio Productions. Today, I want to let you in on a little secret. Composite deck furniture is the ultra-durable superhero of outdoor living. Imagine you've just created your dream backyard space, complete with a sparkling pool and a cozy fire pit. The last thing you want is for your furniture to let you down, am I right? Well, that's where composite deck furniture comes in. You see, composite furniture is made by combining recycled plastics and wood fibers, creating a material that's built to last. We're talking over 25 years of durability, even in the face of sun, rain, and rowdy pool parties. But here's the best part. Composite furniture isn't just tough, it's also low maintenance. Say goodbye to yearly staining and hello to more time sipping margaritas by the pool. A little soap and water is all you need to keep these pieces looking fresh. And let's not forget about style. Gone are the days of sacrificing aesthetics for durability. Composite furniture comes in a range of designs that'll make your outdoor space look like it's straight out of a magazine. Whether you're into classic Adirondack chairs or sleek modern dining sets, there's a composite option for you. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds too good to be true. But trust me, composite deck furniture is the real deal. It's an investment that pays off in the long run, both for your wallet and your peace of mind. For even more composite durability details, be sure to click the link in the description below for our blog article. And if you're ready to elevate your outdoor living experience, head over to patioproductions.com and check out our selection of composite deck furniture and accessories. Thanks for watching, and let's bring life outdoors.